Hello my dear friends, welcome to your channel Banwal Tutorials Knowledge Wisdom. Now friends, let's start our daily classes. Is basic and advanced English spoken classes. The name of our my class is basic and advanced English spoken classes. So let's start and see the class. Okay, now the time is first I teach you two important words which is very important. Now first one, polite. What? Polite. P-I-G-S-T. Polite. First one is polite. Next one is when. It is when. When means where. What? Where. Polite. Durdasa. Okay. प्रतिज्ञा. दुर्दशा होना प्रतिज्ञा as a verb or a noun words. Okay, now we learn polite and when with two important words. Now let's go to the two important sentences which is very important for you, which help to talk English, speak English in a different way, in a common way at your home or any places. So now let's see what is the it. What? It happens. It happens. What? It happens. This is the first sentence. It happens. Now second is the question is how to get rich. What? How to get rich. The question is how to get rich. These are two important sentences. Now let's explain. It happens. ऐसा होता है. The meaning is ऐसा होता है. It is happening. ऐसा हो रहा है. It can happen. ऐसा हो सकता है. It could have happened. ऐसा हो सकता था. It has happened. ऐसा हो चुका है. It had happened. ऐसा हो चुका था. It is happening. It was happening. It has been happened. Okay, like this you can make more sentences with it. Okay, first is clear. Now second, let's go to the second. The question is how to get rich. How to get rich यानी प्रश्न है कि कैसे अमीर बना जाए, कैसे धनवान बना जाए. प्रश्न है कि कैसे स्वस्थ रहा जाए. द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ टू स्टे हेल्दी. प्रश्न है कैसे अमेरिका पहुंचा जाए, है ना. दिस आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ today's sentences. Okay, the question is how to go to America or how to reach to America. So today's, now these are two important sentences. Okay, let's go ahead. Now I every day I am teaching you two important one word substitutions regularly. So if you want to join my class, then come every day at 11 a.m. in the morning. If you want to become a good speaker, then you can join. Okay, now one word substitutions. The person, first one, the person who cheat with his country or cheat the native or residential people or a people or a country. The person who cheat the country with the country. जो व्यक्ति अपने देश के साथ चीट करता हो, धोखा करता हो, उसे क्या कहते हैं? एवरीवन नो, ट्रेटर. व्हाट? ट्रेटर. TRAITOR. ट्रेटर. ट्रेटर मीन्स क्या होता है? गद्दार, है ना. हाल ही पे आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे There are a lot of examples you will see in your country, like पीएनबी घोटाला, है ना, पीएनबी स्कैम का जो घोटाला था वो सब क्या गद्दारी हैं. विजय माल्या, शी इज ऑल्सो ए ट्रेटर. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. The person who take interest on his cash, जो अपने पैसे पे ब्याज लेती हो, उसे क्या कहते हैं? पहले में क्या कहा जाता था पता है? पहले सेठ साहूकार कहा जाता था. अभी क्या है? सुदखोर, यानी यूजरर, USERER, यूजरर. Okay, these are two important one-word substitutions. Now, again, next day, I will teach you two important sentences, two important words, or most important one-word substitutions. Now, your class is closed. So, keep watching, keep learning, keep trying to speak English at your home, in your office, in your market, or everywhere. So thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe my channel, the Bernwal Tutorials, which is very important for you, and you can join free of cost my classes every day 11 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Thank you.